Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 25,513 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here on the dash, that's just in camera. That is not in person. The cabin on this car is insane quiet. Very, very nice. The little ticking you hear is just the key over here in the corner kind of tapping. That steering wheel is perfectly straight. The alignment feels good. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Just looking at this car, it is absolutely gorgeous. Inside and out. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Such a cool car. Here on the tires, the date code is 2024. They are Goodyear Eagle NCT 5s. You have the floating center caps here. Now you're going to see some flaws there. Something is on the finish there, and it's kind of tacky, almost like a glue of some sort. The outer edge looks good. You have a beautiful metallic paint with the painted pinstriping. So you're going to have a few swirls from just kind of everyday washing. Really, really good. A-pillar looks nice here on the side mirrors. A couple little rock impacts, but it's very minor. Little chip on the door edge. I see one small chip right there. That's in great condition. So far it's looking beautiful. For being a 20-year-old car, she is in fantastic shape. Looking at that wheel, looks good. This side looks awesome. Scanning the edge of the hood. That's in great condition. Now, of course, on the front end, if you get really close, you're going to see some little rock impacts every once in a while. Lower side looks good. of that looks really nice. Beautiful grill. Little chip there, little one here. It's very minimal though. That fender looks good. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Overall in great condition. Like I said, tires are from 2014. That door looks good. A-pillar's pretty. Side mirrors in great condition. Now right here from getting in and out, there is a couple little chips there. A few light fingernail scratches. Now keep in mind, we do offer paint correction and ceramic coating here. So a lot of those minor imperfections you could get out. The paint already though looks amazing, but you can take it one step further and get some of these light imperfections out. That side looks good. Border looks amazing. Overall that wheel's in great condition. I mean, you can just see the depth of that paint already. Looks amazing. I'm sure they had a paint correction done at some point already. That's why this paint is in great condition. There's really not much to pick apart on this car. Got a little imperfection there. All right, check out this interior. This is amazing. Really nice. Looking at that door panel, you do have a crack in the wood grain right there. A couple little fingernail scratches. The rest of that looks good. All of that's nice and clean. These carpets are super plush. They do have some flaws there. Looking at that bolster, overall in great condition. Here on the steering wheel, upper section, that looks good. All of that's nice and clean. The edge of that looks good. Nice and clean there. So far, what I can tell, this all looks really good. And scanning the upper side of that dash. Looks awesome. All right, checking out this side, you have your umbrella. Looking at the door panel. Now if you get in there, that's of course where you grab the handle and shut it. So you're gonna have some light fingernail scratches there. Otherwise, it's in great condition. That looks good. All of that is very nice. Looking at that trim, that's in great condition. These floor mats are super thick and very soft. I feel bad even putting my feet on that. They're super soft. That looks good. Upper section looks nice. There's your heated seat button. This side of the console's clean. Upper side of the dash looks perfect. Really not much to pick apart on this side. And then here on the back left, upper section looks good. This is all nice and clean. Now you do have some wear on that edge from getting in and out. A couple light scuffs, a few little markings. And you have your trays here. Looks like a couple small stains there. Otherwise, that's in great condition. Here on that panel, you do have some markings right here in the leather. Got your umbrella. Carpets look good. Typical wrinkles and little scuffs from getting in and out. looks good. It's all nice and clean. Now it's a little dark back here. There's all your controls. Got your batteries back here, and then you have these covers. Make that nice and clean. Alright, we're going to scan through the engine bay, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous. The designs just look amazing. Very, very clean. Looking at the hood liner, it looks like these did separate from the tabs, but the rest of those all look good.